Now, as you have joined this department on a prestigious post of director, what are your future plans, sir?
Yeah, a lot of things are going on. As you know, that New Delhi World Book Fair is the biggest brand which we have. The whole world looks up to it. The highest congregation in the entire Africa Asia region is that book fair. So we look forward to give it more themes, make it more inclusive, make it more activity based, and we try to incorporate maximum authors and writers for various panel discussions. And not only that, we want to open it for young writers. Idea is to catch them young. For example, these Yuva authors whom we have selected in this PM Yuva Yojana, we are planning to take them and give them the platform where they can express also. See, it's a holistic exercise, three-dimensional format. You write first, then you should also be able to express and speak, and then only you can create more and more content. So this will be a big platform for all the young minds, and a lot of literary and cultural activities are also going to be integrated. I was thinking over a period of time, there's no organized platform to create. It's a huge few lakh crore rupees of industry in publishing, but there are no serious professionals being provided by any agency. So NBT has been doing this online publishing course since COVID has started, and we got a very good response. Today, if you do a survey, you will find most of the big professional of publishing houses, they have either done internship with NBT, or they have done the training course with us, or they have been graduated with NBT. So we are doing this online course, providing publishing skill. So anybody, anywhere, being at home, can take this benefit, attend this course on the weekends, and get groomed in the publishing industry. So that moral responsibility, being a national institution, is on us to produce professionals who can contribute and give a better services and leadership to the entire publishing domain.